Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So just to give you guys a heads up, I am going to start doing a lot more videos such as clients, like doing makeup on them, doing chemical peels, facials, all that stuff. It's going to be super fun. Another thing I want to start doing is doing vlogging. I want to vlog all my bridal parties that I have, or just on a day-to-day basis. I think it might be kind of fun. But yeah, I think those are going to be the new things I'm going to start on my channel. This is going to be beauty channel, also kind of come here when you're bored channel. Yeah, I mean, there's not much that's exciting about my life, so I don't know. A little bit about me for those who do not know me. So my name is Ashley. Oh my gosh, I almost said Ashley Raza. Just got married like a month and a half ago, so I keep forgetting that my name has changed. So it's Ashley Daily now. Ashley Daily. It used to be Raza, now it's a Daily. So, fun new change. And, let's see. So yes, I'm married, 1 month and a half. I have a son. Just kidding. I mean, he has 4 paws. His name is Duke and he's a cutie. He's my son. No, me and my husband are not going to have any kids anytime soon. Not for a while. We want to travel and explore. I think we might even be going on a trip this April, so that would be a lot of fun. So no kids for us yet. Not yet. Maybe in like 4 years or something. Yeah. We're in the process of buying a house. So when we got married, he moved into my house. I bought this house when I was like 19. I know, it's pretty crazy. Yeah, I was like, what am I doing? But you know, I'm here now, 2 years. Well, I don't know, you know, the math. A couple years later. But yeah, now we're gonna buy our house together, and we're looking for houses right now. We're house hunting, and it's been pretty fun, kind of stressful, but yeah, hopefully within about a year we'll be moving. So another thing, you guys know about my business, Foreverbyash. So I do a lot of bridal parties, client makeup, I do facials, micro needling, I do a whole bunch of stuff. So there's that. If y'all ever need, you know, skincare or anything done, hit me up. Another thing is, I'm still in school right now, so I have about 2 semesters left. I'm studying communications. Yeah, 2 semesters and I'll finally be done. I'm so tired of school. Bless those hearts to everyone that gets their PhDs and their masters, because you know what? I'm done after next semester. Never again. Yeah. Bad memories at that place. Oh my gosh, there's like a person walking by. Okay, sorry, I get distracted very easy. Like, that's one thing about me, you guys. When you will watch my videos, sometimes I just go off about random stuff, okay? So you just gotta like bring me back. It is what it is. What else? I don't know. I'm pretty much a really boring person. I love playing Uno with Conrad. That's all we do. We play Uno. Yeah, I don't know. But please support me in this new adventure of mine, because there's lots to come. Lots of client makeup, bridal parties, getting ready videos with me, you guys, that will, you know, teach you some tips and some tricks. Tips and tricks for the new school year, for 2019's coming up, so that's pretty exciting. But that's all I gotta babble about. So if you guys have any questions, just shoot me a message, and make sure to like and subscribe. I'm really trying to get to 100 subscribers, so if you guys could help me that would be amazing. So Foreverbyash, you guys, thank you for watching, and there's so much to come.